Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. It's time for another exciting dose of technology in this edition. I'll tell you about the largest high-speed passenger train, a genius invention by an elderly Chinese man, and crawling, humorously walking robots. And that's only a tiny portion of what's coming your way. Let's get started. The world's largest high-speed train. First on the list, we have the largest high-speed passenger train, a genius invention by an elderly Chinese innovator. This train isn't just big, it's fast. Its innovative design and impressive speed make it the ultimate way to travel. Picture yourself cruising across scenic landscapes in record time. Iron Man tech for everyday workers. Remember how Tony Stark built things in Iron Man using augmented reality? Well, Microsoft's Copilot in Dynamics 365 Guides brings this tech to real life. Workers can now use special glasses or smartphones to see 3D overlays of tools and instructions in their workspace. Just say a command, and voila! Hands-free problem-solving is here. The quietest room on Earth. Looking for peace and quiet? Microsoft built an anechoic chamber that holds the Guinness World Record for being the quietest room on the planet. It's so silent, 20.35 decibels, that you can hear your own heartbeat and even the blood moving through your veins. But beware, it's so unnervingly quiet that most people can't stand it for more than an hour. Haptic vision for the blind. Imagine a blind person catching a ball. Sounds impossible, right? Not anymore. Haptic vision is a revolutionary invention featuring glasses with tactile feedback pins. These pins transmit movement and object directions onto the user's forehead, making real-time interactions a reality for the visually impaired. It's nothing short of life-changing. Mercedes' futuristic electric supercar. Mercedes is electrifying the car industry with a supercar inspired by their classic C11 design. It's futuristic, sustainable, and luxurious. With coffee bean husk upholstery, augmented reality dashboards, and a lightweight axial flow engine, this electric beauty blends high performance with eco-consciousness. Humanoid robot with a sense of balance. Robots are evolving. This bipedal humanoid robot can walk, adapt to slopes, and regain its balance if pushed. It even calculates the exact number of steps needed to stabilize itself. Its quirky, wide-legged walk might make you laugh, but it's paving the way for real-world applications in robotics. Eco-friendly hard drive recycling. Microsoft is tackling e-waste with robots that disassemble hard drives to extract rare materials like magnets, aluminum, and circuit boards. By 2025, the goal is to reuse 90% of these components, saving costs and reducing environmental harm. Who knew recycling could be this high-tech? Artificial gravity in space. Artificial gravity isn't just sci-fi anymore. Haven 1, a private space station, is developing a rotating module to create gravity. Inside, space tourists will find rest cabins, a fitness center, and even a panoramic observation tower. Get ready for comfortable, gravity-enabled space vacations. A ship that outruns storms. Slostel's innovative ferry design is revolutionizing marine travel. Its cutting-edge hull reduces drag, allowing it to reach speeds of 40 knots, even in stormy weather. Plus, its fuel-efficient build makes it eco-friendly and faster than ever. Say goodbye to canceled trips. Google's Mobius Strip keyboard. Google Japan has created a keyboard shaped like a Mobius strip. It's double-sided, which means 2 or even 3 people can type at the same time. While it might be a playful April Fool's prank, it's a fun glimpse into creative design possibilities. Solar-powered chicken coops. Free-range farming just got an upgrade. A solar-powered chicken coop housing 6,000 birds automatically moves to fresh grazing spots with the push of a button. Not only do the chickens get fresh forage, but their scratching helps aerate and enrich the soil. Smart farming for the win. Emergency staircase slide. Who needs to run downstairs during an emergency when you can slide? A 70-year-old inventor created a slide that attaches to staircase ceilings and deploys with the press of a button. It's fast, safe, and could save countless lives in emergencies. Veloc. Veloc is a robot that adapts to any terrain. With fins that mimic a stingray, it glides on ice, digs into snow, and swims through water. Its ability to maneuver through extreme environments makes it perfect for rescue missions where traditional machines can't go. The hybrid energy platform. Why choose between wind, solar, or wave energy when you can have all three? Noviocean's hybrid platform harnesses these energy sources simultaneously, producing enough electricity to power 1,000 homes every day. Rain or shine, this is the future of renewable energy. A UFO-like polar station. A floating polar research station is coming soon, and it looks like a UFO. Built to drift with glaciers, it will monitor climate change and ice melting. Inside, there's everything from labs to a sauna, keeping scientists comfortable as they study the Arctic. Smart shopping carts. Hate checkout lines? Shopix Smart Shopping Cart is here to save the day. Using AI, it tracks your items, calculates your total, and even suggests deals. When you're done, skip the checkout counter and just walk out. Shopping has never been easier. Futuristic custom motorcycle, the Eve Odyssey. Two motorcycle combines sleek design and functionality. With a lightweight bullet-shaped frame and incredible fuel efficiency, 150 miles per gallon, it's an engineering marvel. It may not be practical for everyone, but it's certainly turning heads. Portable nuclear reactors. Meet Da Vinci, a compact nuclear reactor that can be transported by truck and powers remote locations for 15 years on a single fuel load. It's perfect for mining operations, drilling platforms, and even emergency disaster zones. Clean energy just got mobile. DIY autonomous driving kit. Want to build your own self-driving car? Pixmoving's Pix Kit 3.0 comes with everything you need, including an electric chassis, sensors, and cameras. It's perfect for developers testing autonomous vehicle software. The future of driving is in your hands. Electric scooter desk. Why settle for a regular desk when you can ride one? The Worknick desk doubles as an electric scooter and includes a foldable chair, retractable screen, and built-in charging ports. Now you can work and travel, all at the same time. DJI's electric mountain bike drive. DJI's AVOX drive is the ultimate accessory for electric mountain bikes. With 77 pound-feet of torque and long-lasting batteries, it helps you conquer even the toughest trails. Whether you're climbing hills or racing downhill, this system has you covered. A laptop-sized skateboard. The Walkcar 2 is a portable skateboard that weighs just 6.4 pounds. It fits in a backpack and reaches speeds of up to 9.3 miles per hour. Whether you're commuting through the city or zipping around your neighborhood, this gadget redefines personal transport. PipeEye robot for underground safety. Inspecting underground pipes is now safer with PipeEye, a robot that navigates tight spaces and creates 3D maps of drainage systems. It eliminates the need for humans to work in hazardous areas, making infrastructure maintenance much safer. AR swimming goggles, Hollow Swim. AR goggles let swimmers track their performance in real time. With data like laps, strokes, and pace displayed on the lens, they make every swim session more productive. Plus, they even notify you of calls if your phone is nearby. The fastest robot dog. Finally, let's talk about the world's fastest quadruped robot. Created by South Korean engineers, this robot dog sprints at 11.26 miles per hour and can even climb slopes. It's not the most graceful runner, but it's breaking records and opening doors to new robotics possibilities. From futuristic vehicles to eco-friendly innovations, these 25 gadgets prove that creativity knows no bounds. Which one blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the amazing world of technology.